season. And of course, this PCR month, so hindi kakayanin ng police, hindi lang kakayanin ng isang agency yung pagresponde sa mga ganitong klaseng disasters. So what we're doing is to be inclusive, no? So kailangan i-engage namin yung iba't ibang agencies working on this same issue. Napaka-importante talaga yung police-community relations para mas hindi ka lang effective sa pag-deliver ng iyong mandate, but you are cost efficient.
Sir, lastly sir, no, in relation to the PCR month, paano po natin papaigtingin yung relationship ng Philippine National Police and the media, sir?
Well, of course, media palagi nating kasama yan eh. Kung hindi kayo magkasama ng media, malamang magkaaway kayo, di ba? Pero ever since ang media at saka police naman magkatandem yan, magkasama yan. So in matters of information dissemination, kakailanganin namin ang media, kakailanganin namin ang tulong nyo, even during the aftermath. So it's on the proactive, during the performance of our mandates, and after the performance of our mandate, nandun ang media.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.